The second rant which I would like to start today is about the Nubia Z40S Pro. It has been launched. It arrives with a Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor with the optional 120 watt fast charging. The S stands for maybe improved battery life and charging. This is a special sci-fi edition, but let's start now. This phone is powered by the latest updated processor. It comes with LPDDR5 RAM with 812 and even 18GB with UFS 3.1 storage of 128, 512 and up to 1TB option. The chip is kept cool by a larger vapor chamber than the non-S model. It has graphene sheet and it has a thermal paste even with synthetic diamond. The battery comes with 55,000 watt battery and 80 watt charger. There is an alternative version that boosts the charging up to 120 watts, but as usual for achieving this 120 watts, the battery size has been dropped to 4600 milliamperes and it takes up to 19 minutes for full charge. Rest of the phone is similar to the Z40 Pro. It has a 6.7 inch AMOLED screen with 144Hz refresh rate screen, 480Hz touch sampling. It's a full HD screen with 10-bit color and a brightness of 1000 watts. Its thickness is now around 8.05 millimeters, and you get stereo speakers. And camera, there is not much change in the camera. It comes with a 35mm main camera which has a dedicated 50mm mode for portraits. It uses the same IMX787 camera with brighter 1.6 lens, and you can record 4K up to 120 frames per second. There's a wide camera on board with 50 megapixels with up to 116-degree field of view, and it can focus up to 2 centimeters away, good for macro photography, and it can record 8K macro video. So it is technically the first phone that can record 8K macro. Then you have a periscope lens which is 8 megapixels, that's up to 5x zoom. So you get 4 focal lenses in this phone: 14mm, 35mm, 50mm, 125mm. You get a 6 LED flash on the back with a flicker sensor as well. It comes in 2 colors, magic green and night sea, and this is special space edition. The pricing is kept very strong, starting from $500 with 128GB, going up to $635 for the 120 watt version. You can also get one more version with the 18GB RAM with 1TB version that comes for around $700. All three are only available in China at the moment. They are launching 3 special GaN chargers as well, known as Nubia NeoCharge 3 Tech. One has 2 USB-C ports and 1 USB-A port with 65 watt charging, priced at around 148 Chinese yuan. If you want a fancy version, it's around 158. If you need more power, there's a third charger that is up to 100 watts, that's around 259 watts. So there is so many options coming up. ZTE is trying a lot of stuff. Hope they can improve the software support, maybe give up to 3 years, and then this will be recommended. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe for further videos.